In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to do content gap analysis, extract comment, transcript for YouTube within ChatGPT or Claude. So I'll be doing the process in Claude, but the same thing works for ChatGPT as well. So I'll start a new chat window, and the secret to do this research within Claude is that I have installed Alfred's YouTube MCP. So if you want access to Alfred's YouTube MCP, just check the link in the description and you'll see how to install it. So let us do some research. Go to YouTube and search for the tutorial. So I gave in this prompt and it has a YouTube MCP connected. So now it will just fetch all the video and organize it for me. Isn't that cool? So June Wilson, 4,600 views. Now this is interesting. Titania Savage, 185, 1 year ago. How to get 1,000 sales on Etsy. So kind of it's not exactly matching to the keyword that I gave, but you understand how the research happens. So, okay. Can you check the comments? Title, or I can reference it. And give me the objections raised by the viewers. So it will go ahead, extract all the comment that video has and give me objections, which I can take and make sure that those are covered in my video. So it just does that in a jiffy. So after analyzing 1,000 comments pulled from this video, here are the key objections. No proof this actually works. It's harder than I thought. Will this strategy still work? So you have content gold mine here. Just create a video and all the objections will be answered, or it surfaced all the objections that you can put in your video. Now there's another workflow that I tend to do while creating YouTube video is finding pain point video ideas. For that, what I do is I go to a YouTube channel and kind of find a relatively smaller channel. Heather Studio is a channel that creates print on demand Etsy content. I'll just click on this Heather Studio, copy this, come to Claude, take this YouTube channel, see which video has most view by comment ratio. So what I'm trying to find out is video that has a lot of comments. If a video has a lot of comment, that indicates that there are user objections or challenges that were not addressed by the video. So people go and express their objection, desires, or whatever they feel on the comment section. So I want to find out those gold mine and create better content around those. So I'll just type in, hit enter, and let us watch Claude do that research for me. I'll click on always allow. So if you want to update or upgrade your YouTube workflow and use Claude or ChatGPT to the best use, go and subscribe to Alfred's MCP. The link is in the description. So now we have top 10 videos with the comment and view ratio. So views 347 comments, 70,000 views, 257 comments. So if you look, the video number 1, so it has 11,000 views and 347 comment, and this is an outlier with a lot of objections. I can go in, check that video and create a better video answering all the objections. So with the Alfred's MCP, you can do YouTube research on your terms, anything, whatever, anytime. If you want to try it out, check the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our newsletter to get YouTube strategies and tips to grow your business. Thank you.